Hey guys, welcome to a new video. This question is asked, and the question is, it's usually asked in past papers. So they say, what is the role of endoplasmic reticulum and vesicles in the production and transport of proteins within a cell? So endoplasmic reticulum, usually I memorize it as this, like, if you have this nucleus, you will have endoplasmic reticulum like this around the nucleus. You have two types of endoplasmic reticulum, by the way. There is one that is rough and one that is smooth. Over here, we're talking about the rough one because they produce proteins. So I think of it as this because it literally looks like that. So when memorizing what an endoplasmic reticulum is and how it functions, you can say an endoplasmic reticulum, it's an organelle. We all know that it's an organelle. And while drawing this, it's an organelle of it's a complicated system of membranous channels. Like what, like, I don't know, while drawing this maze, I just think of a complicated system. It's complicated. It's going in different, it's like a tunnel coiled up. Okay, so it's a complicated system of membranous channels. Like this whole thing is covered in a membrane. It's a complicated system of membranous channels. So while traveling up this tube, just think of it's a complicated system of membranous channels. Now, this complicated system of membranous channels, it's studied with ribosomes. These ribosomes, it's way better to understand the answers rather than to memorize them. But some things that you're supposed to memorize, just memorize them. This one you're supposed to understand it. So the ribosomes on this, how does it help protein to be transported? So the ribosomes, they are the main site of protein synthesis. Ribosomes are the main site of protein synthesis, so they produce proteins in the endoplasmic reticulum. Now vesicles, they're shaped like pancakes, and they transport the proteins produced in the vesicles. They transport the proteins produced to different parts of the cell. Right? So endoplasmic reticulum and vesicles, it's an organelle made up of a complicated system of membranous channels. It's a complicated system of membranous channels. It's studded with ribosomes, so it produces proteins. Whenever thinking of what the endoplasmic reticulum is, just draw how it looks like. It will just come. Now, it transports proteins made by the endoplasmic reticulum to different parts of the cell. And that's how you answer that question.